Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile not installed. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile not installed, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will search about FIFA Mobile. Then in this list of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps then you can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA Mobile here. And you will click here mobile, FIFA Mobile. When you will find it, you will click update to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.